In this video, we are going to discuss about two main disk scheduling algorithms, namely FCFS scheduling and SSTF scheduling. Let's now proceed into the first scheduling algorithm, FCFS. FCFS scheduling is means first come first serve scheduling. So what is meant by FCFS scheduling? In FCFS scheduling, the requests are addressed in the order they arrive in the disk queue. So which means the request will be satisfied in the order of their arrival. Whichever request comes first will be serviced first. Now look at the example which is given below. The example shows that the order of request is 82, 170, 43, 140, 24, 16 and 190. So this is the order of arrival, which means 82 has arrived first and 190 has arrived last. The current position of the read-write head is 50. So now how does FCFS scheduling work? Now if you look at the diagram given below, in the diagram, the all these numbers that have been given here, these are nothing but cylinder numbers. These have been marked on a scale from 0 to 199, assuming that there is a total of 200 cylinders in the disk. So numbered from 0 to 199, and these cylinder numbers are all marked on the line, numbered from 0 to 199. Now, if the given data says current position of read-write head is at 50. So, current position is at 50. From 50, according to the FCFS scheduling, the order of the request will move to 82. So it goes to 82. From 82, it has to go to the next one, which is 170. From 170, it has to go to 43. From 43, it moves to 140. From 140, it moves to 24. From 24 to 16. And then from 16 to 190. So this is how the FCFS scheduling algorithm will work. Now, with respect to this, we need to find out what is the total head movement. How has the disk arm moved and what is the total head movement which is involved. So let's continue with this. How is the total head movement calculated in cylinders? So the total head movement, that is the distance covered by the disk arm, is calculated, and it has been found that the value that is got is 642. How do we get this 642? It's nothing but, see, the disk arm has moved from 50 to 82. So this distance has to be taken, 82 minus 50. Then from 82, it has gone to 170. So you have to take that distance, 170 minus 82. Now you have to say 82 minus 50 plus 170 minus 82 plus 170 minus 43. That's how it goes. So see, 82 minus 50 plus 170 minus 82 plus 170 minus 43 and so on. And the entire movement has to be taken into consideration. And when you add them up, you get 642 cylinders. So this is the total head movement. What is the advantage of FCFS scheduling? Every request gets a fair chance. Whichever comes first is served first. So there is no indefinite postponement. Disadvantages, this algorithm will not optimize seek time. It doesn't tend to optimize seek time. It only sees the order of arrival, and hence it may not provide the best possible service. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of FCFS scheduling. Now we move on to the next algorithm, SSTF scheduling, which stands for shortest seek time first. So how does this algorithm work? This algorithm will move towards requests which are having the shortest seek time. So the algorithm goes like this. Requests having the shortest seek time are executed first. So we're going to take up the same example that we took for FCFS scheduling. We start from the current position as 50. Shortest seek time from 50, whether moving to 43 or moving to 82 is going to give the shortest time. The shortest time is of course going to be given when you move from 50 to 43. So the arm moves like this, 50 to 43. From 43, going to 24 is lesser, or going to 82 is lesser. Going to 24 is lesser. So it goes in this direction till all the requests in the queue are satisfied. This is how SSTF works. So how do you compute the total head movement? Total head movement is the same way of computation. It's going to be 50 minus 43 plus 43 minus 24 plus 24 minus 16 plus 82 minus 16 plus 140 minus 82 plus 170 minus 140 plus 190 minus 170, which is 208. So for the same set of values, we got lesser number of cylinders in the case of SSTF. So what is the advantage of SSTF? Average response time decreases, throughput increases, but there is a disadvantage. Overhead to calculate seek time. It is based on calculation of seek time. So that is more. And it can cause starvation of requests which arrived little earlier. High variance of response time as SSTF favors only some requests. So I hope you're clear with how FCFS scheduling algorithm and SSTF scheduling algorithm work. In our forthcoming videos, we will learn about scan, C-scan, look, and C-look. Thank you.